Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 41 how to turn on the comment box on Instagram using the application called GRIDS for Instagram using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dock, click on the application itself called GRIDS. Make sure that we are signed on to the account, click on the profile, which is on the navigation bar, go to the post that we turned off the comment box, click on this, and now we can see that the comments are not available as we turn them off in the previous video. Go to Safari, Instagram, click on the photo, and the comments are not available. Go back to GRIDS, go to the three dots on the right hand top corner of the comment box, turn on commenting. Refresh the page, go back to the photo, and now the comments have returned. That's because the comment box is now available. Go back to Safari, refresh the page, Command R, and now we can see the comments on Instagram through the web browser. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.